Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune-up and we also give it a cleaning cycle. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're going to be testing out the entire machine and we're going to be testing out this product of this as well. As you can see, milk cleaner definitely flows through the steam system over here and it's running nicely, as you see right there in the coffee. Looking great. I can set over here because I do have a smaller container. As you can see, nice steady flow coming out from these spouts. Excellent color as well. Now the volume is 8 ounces, so I'm going to stop a little bit soon. As you can see, nice coffee coming out from the machine. Working excellent. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. And as you can see, also a steady stream coming out through there. Working great. So there you have it, Jura E6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.